Some ass hat is fucking just unloading on their goddamn horn, and I'm about to tell them to go fuck off. This is bullshit. The fucking Trevor's gonna come beat your goddamn tits in. The fuck is going on? Fucking hear that bullshit? I have no idea where the fuck it's coming from. Someone being an asshole. Now I think I'm going the wrong way. Where the fuck is it? I'm trying to play a prep round for the WC. And someone just keeps honking their goddamn horn. Fuck, I just want to find who it is. I can beat their ass. Fucking hell. Oh, now it stops. Bullshit. Come on, honk that horn one more time, you cunt. What the fuck? Walk all the fuck the way up here. What? Jesus Christ. If any of you lived half a minute away from fucking Utah, I'd know it was you being dickheads. God almighty. Fuck! The story of my fucking life. Just frustrated as piss because nobody will fucking show their dumb tits. Well, fuck.